All right, I've got another classic for you today. We've got Nights in White Satin by the Moody Blues. It's going to start out with the E minor chord. We're going to have this little strum. D. So our strum is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. That's going to be our main strum. We're going to have one later on when we go to an A chord in the chorus that's going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, kind of like that instead of this little down, down, up, down. So we're starting off with the E minor chord, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, going to D. Now we're going to do that about 4 times in a row, 2 times for the intro, 2 times for the verse. And then I'm going to call off the next chords of the verse. They're going to be easy. It's just C to G and F to E minor. Okay, so E minor to D is our main thing to start with. Here we go. And this is in 12/8. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3 to get us started. 1, 2, 3. D. E minor, D, and then the verse starts, same chords, 2 times. Now we're going C to G and F to E minor. Stay on the E minor, new verse, to D. Again, C to G, F to E minor. And then we're going to have this A major, and this is the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and then C. And then we're back to the original thing. 2 times of that sets up the next verse. So let's look at that chorus again. A major, and then we go to C, and then we're back to our E minor D. So here goes, I'll give you a 3 count for this A, and remember this is just 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And if you want to put an upstroke in there every now and again, of course you can. So here goes the 3 count for the A. 1, 2, 3. Going to C. And then the other strum, E minor D. And the next verse, E minor D. We'll do it again. C to G. F to E minor. Start over. C to G, F to E minor. And then we got the A, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Going to C, and then back to our E minor D. We'll do that 2 times. And now we have a new part. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 hits on the E minor. That stops us, gets us into the flute solo. Take from the last chorus, the A, 3 count, 1, 2, 3. C, E minor to D. We'll do this twice. And then we'll have 7 hits on E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then the flute solo is going to start. I've got the flute solo tabbed out, and there is a tab for this, so I've got that all written out as well for the baritone ukulele. So let's look at the rhythm part, not the solo yet, but what's going on kind of here. It's a finger picking thing. Now you could just do this with your E minor, just go, and go to D like that, C, and B. But if you want to do something extra, you could do the chord and then resume the finger picking. So the finger picking thing would be strings 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. So if you can do the chord 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, chord, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, chord, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So let's try to finger pick that flute solo. C and B, back to E minor, to D, C and B, and then E minor to C, and again, and then A minor to B twice. And then we're back to E minor to D. Okay, so let's take a look at that again. Now, if you wanted to just strum through this flute solo, let's talk that through. So it'd be E minor to D and then C to B, and that would go twice. So let's try that. Let's just go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like that. So let's try that. We're gonna just strum easy threes on the flute solo, E minor D, C to B, and we'll do that twice, and then we'll move on from there. So 3 count, 1, 2, 3, E minor, D, C. And you could go B7 if you like that easier, if that's easier for you. Back to E minor, D, C to B. Now we've got E minor to C twice. Then we have A minor to B. And then E minor to D, like the intro. Now we have a C in here. And then we bounce back right into the E minor D again. So that's one measure of 6/8 on that C right there. And then you're into the next verse. Okay, so we're gonna go back to the flute solo part, and we're gonna do that finger picking. So you could, like I said, just finger pick all of them like that without strumming any chords. Now we got E minor to C twice, and then A minor to B twice, and then E minor, D, and then we have a C, and then we're right back to like the intro. Okay, so now let's look at the flute solo finger picking with a chord first. Repeat that. And then we got E minor to C twice, and then A minor, B, we'll do that twice, and then E minor to D like the intro, and then we have a C here, and then we're back to like the intro again. Do this twice. And then we got a verse. We'll repeat that. C to G. F to E minor. Verse again. C to G. F to E minor. Then we got our chorus, we got A. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Go into C. Back to our E minor, D. 2 times. And then we've got a new little break. Now this thing is to get us back into the chorus again. So what it's going to do is hit the E minor, but it's going to go bum bum ba 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 bum. So it's 4 sets of that. And then we're back into a chorus with A, 3 count, 1, 2, 3. C. E minor, D. Twice. And then we hold the E minor. And that's the whole thing. Now we're going to have a strings melody that goes over verses coming up right now, and we're going to have that cool flute solo. So I want to talk about just that choppy E minor thing that only happens that one time to help us get back into that last chorus. So once again, that was... So basically you got bum bum ba bum, that's 1 set, and we're doing 4 sets of that. So let's try a 3 count on that. 1, 2, 3. Da-dum, da-dum. Second one, third, fourth, and A. Going to C. And then it's just that E minor D again. Okay, so the strings melody over the verse is like... So you're gonna do this little open E down here. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you kind of count like 3 sets of 3s, and then you're gonna do this 3, 0, 2, 3, 2, 3, 0. Let's try that slow. Okay, so we're gonna hold this first one. Like I say, it's almost like 9 beats worth. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So those come in really fast. There's like 16th notes. So let's try it. 3 count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that one comes down to that C note there. So the second time you go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, open 2, 3, oh, dum, dum. 2 here in the G, and open G. Okay, so once again we got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, open. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, open. And think about how that kind of leads you into. So that happens twice over each verse. You know, the verse goes twice and then it goes into the chorus. So you always hear that like right before the chorus, except for that last one that has that choppy thing. Okay, let's look at this first line of the flute solo. So we're going to have the open B string as a pickup note, and then we're going to kind of start counting on this little E string. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to hold that for 4 little beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 2, 0, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then open 2, open 3, 1. And then 3 to little open to 4 on the second string. So once again, that was 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then the second one's gonna have a little different ending. We're gonna have 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 0, 2, 3, 2. So let's look at that one again. We've got the pickup note, second string, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 0, 2, 3, 2. Okay, then we got a new part. We're coming to the 7, 6, 5, 3, 0. So we actually hold that one for 5 beats worth, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to end with pick up on the 3, 5, 7, 8, 7. And then, so a quick one, hammer on, pull off on that, the end of that measure. So let's look at this again. We pick up with the 3 and we're going to the 5, going towards the ending of this. 7, 8, 7, and then da-dee-dum, dum, dum, dum. Okay, so I'm going to play that whole flute solo right here. Going up to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, Nights in White Satin by the Moody Blues. Hope you dug that. There will be a tab, like I said, with this. Have a lot of fun jamming that one. It's a great old tune. I like these melodies. I've always liked that song, hearing it on the radio and stuff. So, okay, I'm Damon Wood. Welcome to Damon's Baritone Uke Joint. Please like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.